Hi, today is day 7 of our 10-day 50 squat challenge. I'm doing my squats on my vibration plate to make it extra fun and intensive. And I'm also adding some soup weights. I'm going to do bicep curls and tricep kickbacks. And first 25 with bicep curls. Ready? And begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, and now for the breathe for a second and for the tricep kickbacks. Ready? And 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Yay! Boy, I can really feel that in
I can feel that over here.
Whew. All right, thank you everybody who has done this 10-day 50 squat challenge with me so far. Day 7's done. Just 3 more to go. Okay, everybody, hold on to your anchor moments and make it a great day. Bye-bye.